Hello, my friend. My name is Alex. Welcome to my channel. I'm really happy you're here today. I want you to take a deep breath, relax, and make yourself comfortable for the next few minutes. Forget about grammar. Forget about memorizing vocabulary. Today, we're simply going to enjoy English together. English is not something you study. English is something you experience. The more you listen, the more you understand, the more confidently you'll speak. And that's exactly what we're going to do today. So, whether you're having your morning coffee, driving to work, cooking dinner, walking outside, or just relaxing at home, thank you for spending this time with me. Let's make English a natural part of your day. Today's topic about tourism in Egypt. Are you ready? Let's begin. Egypt is one of the most fascinating travel destinations in the world. Located in North Africa, this country is famous for its ancient civilization, rich culture, and diverse landscapes. Tourism in Egypt has been an important part of the economy for many years, attracting millions of visitors from around the globe. From the iconic pyramids and temples to the beautiful beaches of the Red Sea, Egypt offers a unique experience that combines history, adventure, and relaxation. In this article, we will explore tourism in Egypt in detail. We will look at its historical attractions, cultural experiences, natural wonders, and modern tourism development. We will also discuss why Egypt remains one of the top destinations for travelers who want to discover something truly special. Ancient Egypt, a living history. One of the main reasons tourists visit Egypt is its incredible ancient history. Egypt is home to one of the oldest civilizations in the world, dating back more than 5,000 years. The country is filled with monuments that tell the story of the pharaohs, gods, and ancient traditions. The pyramids of Giza are perhaps the most famous landmarks in Egypt. These massive structures were built as tombs for kings and are considered one of the 7 wonders of the ancient world. The Great Sphinx, located near the pyramids, is another symbol of Egypt's ancient power and mystery. In Luxor, often called the world's greatest open-air museum, visitors can explore the Valley of the Kings, where many pharaohs were buried, including the famous King Tutankhamun. The temples of Karnak and Luxor are also impressive, with giant columns and detailed carvings that show scenes from ancient Egyptian life. Further south, the temples of Abu Simbel stand as a testament to the greatness of Pharaoh Ramses II. These temples were carved into rock and later moved to save them from flooding, making them not only historic but also an engineering achievement. The Nile River, the heart of Egypt. The Nile River is the longest river in the world and has been the lifeline of Egypt for thousands of years. It provided water, transportation, and fertile land for agriculture, helping ancient civilization to grow and thrive. Today, Nile cruises are one of the most popular tourist activities. Travelers can enjoy a relaxing journey between Luxor and Aswan, stopping to visit temples and historical sites along the way. The view of the river, with palm trees and small villages, gives visitors a peaceful and authentic experience of Egyptian life. Traditional felucca boats also offer a simple and quiet way to explore the Nile, especially during sunset. This experience allows tourists to connect with nature and enjoy the beauty of the river in a calm and memorable way. Red Sea Resorts, paradise for relaxation and adventure. Egypt is not only about ancient history, it is also famous for its stunning beaches and marine life. The Red Sea coast is one of the best places in the world for diving and snorkeling. Cities like Hurghada, Sharm el-Sheikh, and Dahab attract tourists who want to relax by the sea or explore underwater life. The Red Sea is known for its clear water, colorful coral reefs, and diverse fish species. Divers from all over the world come to Egypt to experience these unique underwater ecosystems. In addition to diving, Visitors can enjoy many other activities such as windsurfing, kite surfing, and desert safaris. The combination of sea and desert creates a unique environment that cannot be found in many other places. Egyptian culture and daily life. Tourism in Egypt is not only about visiting monuments. It is also about experiencing the culture and daily life of the people. Egyptians are known for their hospitality and friendliness, making visitors feel welcome and comfortable. In Cairo, the capital city, tourists can explore markets such as Khan el-Khalili, where they can buy traditional crafts, spices, and souvenirs. The streets are full of life, with cafes, restaurants, and music creating a vibrant atmosphere. Egyptian food is another important part of the experience. Dishes like koshari, falafel, and grilled meats are popular and offer a taste of local flavors. Visitors can also enjoy traditional tea or coffee in local cafes while watching daily life around them. Cultural events, music, and dance performances also give tourists a deeper understanding of Egyptian traditions. These experiences help connect visitors with the modern identity of Egypt beyond its ancient past. Natural wonders and desert adventures. Egypt's natural beauty goes beyond the Nile and the Red Sea. The country has vast deserts, oases, and mountains that offer exciting opportunities for adventure. The White Desert is famous for its unusual rock formations that look like sculptures. This area is perfect for camping and photography. Siwa Oasis, located in the Western Desert, is known for its palm trees, salt lakes, and peaceful environment. In the Sinai Peninsula, visitors can climb Mount Sinai, where it is believed that Moses received the Ten Commandments. Watching the sunrise from the top of the mountain is a powerful and unforgettable experience. Desert safaris are also popular, allowing tourists to explore the dunes in jeeps or ride camels. These activities provide a sense of adventure and a chance to see a different side of Egypt. Modern tourism and development. In recent years, Egypt has invested heavily in tourism infrastructure. New hotels, improved transportation, and modern facilities have made travel more comfortable and accessible. The Grand Egyptian Museum, located near the pyramids of Giza, is one of the largest archaeological museums in the world. It is expected to attract millions of visitors and showcase thousands of artifacts, including treasures from King Tutankhamun's tomb. Airports, roads, and tourist services have also been upgraded to improve the overall experience for visitors. These developments show Egypt's commitment to maintaining its position as a leading tourist destination. Challenges and future opportunities. Like any tourism destination, Egypt faces challenges such as economic changes, global events, and environmental concerns. However, the country continues to adapt and improve its tourism strategies. Sustainable tourism is becoming more important, with efforts to protect historical sites and natural environments. Promoting eco-friendly travel and supporting local communities are key goals for the future. Egypt also has the opportunity to expand its tourism offerings by promoting lesser-known destinations and creating new experiences for travelers. This can help attract a wider range of visitors and ensure long-term growth. And that's all for today's episode. I hope you enjoyed learning English with me today. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about making progress. One conversation, one new word, one small step at a time. So don't worry if you didn't understand everything today. Just keep listening, keep practicing, and trust the process. You're improving every single day. If you enjoyed today's episode, please subscribe to Speak English with Alex. It really helps the channel grow and allows me to create more free English lessons for learners around the world. Now I'd love to hear from you. Tell me in the comments. Ask a simple question related to today's topic. I read your comments, and I always enjoy hearing from you. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Take care, keep listening, keep learning, keep speaking English, and I'll see you in the next episode. Until next time, goodbye, my friend.